Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Ayaz in Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Gunesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 9. Yalan. Malike, who is innocent, is convicted of killing her husband and is released after 20 years. Her only dream is to reunite with her daughter Hazal, whom she entrusted to her sister when she was a baby. However, Malike is not only waiting for her daughter outside, but also a new prison woven with lies. As Malike uncovers the lies told to her one by one, she will also understand what kind of gain she has fallen into, while gradually approaching the girl who has been calling someone else her mother for years. She will also do her best to reveal the real killer of her husband. In this story, woven with lies, the most conscientious will be the most ruthless, and the most loyal will be the real traitor. Number 8. Tash Kagit Makas. Tash Kagit Makas delves into the life of Umar Tani Rolu, a young man from a poor neighborhood with an extraordinary memory ability called hyperthymesia. His condition allows him to remember every detail from every moment of his life. Whether that's a blessing or a curse is not yet clear. When Umut's life takes a tragic turn, his father Riza is accused of murder and cannot defend himself due to his struggle with Alzheimer's disease. Umut, alongside the supportive law student Elif and the enigmatic lawyer Harun, embarks on a relentless quest for justice. The series intricately weaves together questions, personal struggles, societal injustice, and the clash between the power and powerless, all set against the backdrop of a murder mystery involving Fajr Damir Khan, the son of a very powerful family who is notorious with scandals in Istanbul nightlife. Number 7. Kara Aj Dastani. The series follows Jilal Agha, who converts all the lands in his region, seizes the lands of all the Aghas, and ultimately has his last rival, Usman Agha, killed. On the day of the murder, Usman Agha's wife Razia delivers a son. Fearing Jilal Agha's wrath, she entrusts her son to Jilal Agha's wife Asiye, who coincidentally gives birth to a daughter on the same day. This inadvertently makes Umar the son of the man who murdered his father. On the other hand, the daughter born to Jilal Agha's wife Asiye is kept a secret. Years go by and Umar matures into a young man who is beloved and respected by all, a stark contrast to his father Jilal Agha. Meanwhile, Sultan reappears in town, claiming to be the wife of Jilal Agha's daughter and seeking revenge. Fate intervenes, bringing Umar and Sultan together many years after being born on the same day. Number 6. Gaddar. When Aidan broke his heart, Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of hard duty, Dagan's service is over and it's time to come home. But not home is not as Dagan remembers it. His family is shattered and his whole neighborhood has given way to a dark underworld. Aidan is gone, and even the old friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuits. When his loved ones come into question, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman, but even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aidan suddenly reappears in Dagan's life. Number 5. Sakla Bini. Mete and Nas, born into affluent and influential families, are bound together by a promise made during their childhood. This promise stems from a tragic incident where Nas' innocence was compromised and Mete's family offered unwavering support. As they grow older, their relationship becomes a roller coaster of heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Mete, deeply committed to keeping the childhood promise, returns from studying abroad to marry Naz. However, fate intervenes when he crosses paths with Injila, Naz's loyal servant. Injila, who has found a family within Naz's household after a troubled past, accidentally becomes a pivotal figure in the upholding drama. Number 4. Shahane Hayatam. From the shimmering skyline of Dubai to the sun-soaked shores of Miami, Shahane Hayatam follows the journey of Shabnam, an anti-heroine born from adversity who claws her way to the top of society's ladder. Shabnam was a scholarship kid attending an elite school where she was bullied by rich students, parents, and even some of her teachers. Despite her brains, no one thought she would make it to their level, but with a dash of plastic surgery and unwavering ambition, Shabnam seizes the ultimate prize, a wealthy husband named Onur. Their union promised luxury, privilege, and envy of all who bear witness. However, the illusion crumbles when the ghost of Shabnam's past resurfaces, threatening her picture perfect existence. Number 3. Kirli Sapeti. For every rich neighborhood, there is an army of poor women who keeps it running. All these cleaners, caregivers, and household help live by the same rule: be invincible. Like pieces of furniture, they are there to serve a function, and that's it. Only after working all day for someone else's family can they go home to their own and live like real people with their own dreams and desires. Kirli Sapeti is the story of one such group of resilient women whose lives are spent cleaning up the messes left by others. The story begins when Mariam, one of these women, tragically falls to her death while working in a house, and even that goes unnoticed by the people she served. Number 2. Yabani. Yabani follows this remarkable journey of Ali, who was abducted as a boy and ended up working for the gang that kidnapped him. After enduring years of hardship, Ali renames himself Yaman and escapes his captors to build a new, better life together with his three children. Things are not easy for this new family, but they work hard and are able to leave their dark past behind. Through it all, Yaman somehow manages to keep his soul pure and never succumbs to the darkness that surrounds him. Things get complicated when Yaman meets Ruya, a beautiful girl from the rich side of town. Her boyfriend nearly overshadows, and it's up to Yaman to save him. Number 1. Safir. The series centers on the Gulsoy family, one of the most prominent families in Cappadocia, whose much revered lives come crashing down after an unexpected tragedy. Upon the return of their eldest son Atesh from America, the Gulsoys reunite in one place after much time apart. Atesh, who lost his father in a traffic accident at a young age, left home refusing to submit to the overwhelming authority of his grandfather Umar. Upon his mother Gulfam's request, he returned home after many years to join his brothers Yaman and Ukan in taking over and expanding the family business established by his grandfather. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.